Hello. In this video, we're going to install Tiny 11 because regular 11 sucks. And we're gonna set it up to make it more aesthetic. Let's go! Took a while to boot. Now, where's my, thing? Where's my thing? Give me my taskbar, please! I need my taskbar, I swear. There you go. Loads up after a couple of years. Great, Chrome isn't opening. Now, the version I'm going to be installing is 23H2 because 24H2 sucks. And download. Okay, while we wait. Oh, there it is. It's done. Now we move this Tiny 11 to here. Boom. There you go. It's done. Now we reboot. Then we turn it on again and also pressing F12 to enter boot menu. Boom. Boom. Oh, boom. Oh, here it is. What is this? This. Okay, we're going to boot. Oh yeah, baby. Windows 11. No, I meant Tiny 11. Where's the logo? Where's the? There it is. Oh yes, sirski. Oh. Wait, why? Oh wait, no, hold on. Oh yes, let's format it. Yeah, format, whatever. And now, yes. Oh yes. Restart. Oh yes. What's this? Sounds? Oh wait, that's volume. But it's still using 10. Go with wait, what is it says 6.7. It's very animated. Very well animated, but it's laggy. Hi. Hello. Getting things ready for you. Okay. Oh, this might take a few minutes. Don't turn off your PC. Maybe I will. Oh! Almost there. Whoa! Woo! Oh yes, 23H2. Beautiful.